beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Utech and how there is a strike. It says, as a strike called by the University of Technology, Jamaican Utech academic staff dragged on yesterday, the students at the Papine-based institution have expressed concerns about the impact of the stalemate between administrators and union officials on their duties in the lead-up to the end of semester examinations. Romario Davis is currently pursuing a bachelor's degree of science degree in economics. Shout out to him, big up to him for that. He is thankful for the extra time he has been allowed to study, but is worried about his future. Some classes have not been held, although some lecturers still come. I am personally glad I got a few more days to study. It gives us more time for preparation, Davis quipped in, finding a silver lining in the cloud of unease when a news team visited the Eastern St. Andrew campus on Tuesday. The core of the disagreement centered around Utech's failure to pay over outstanding funds to academic staff in a near-decade-long salary dispute. President of the University of Technology Jamaican Academic Staff Union, Liebert Langley, has vowed to keep his staff off the job until managers budge on the disbursement. Workers received the first trace of back pay in July this year and expected payouts to be made in two other phases, October 2019 and April-May 2020. The staff took week-long industrial action beginning April 30th this year to get a resolution to the item 41 of the heads of the agreement of the 2015-2017. But the arm wrestling between Utech administrators and academics are a little important to the students, like Danielle Mannings, who is wondering what will become of the hefty tuition fees she has to find each semester to complete her accounting course. I've had a class since the start of the week on Sunday, and I had to test and I didn't get to do it. It cost me $200,000 per semester to do this course. What is happening? She lamented. Her sentiments were echoed by Mercedes Shepherd, who is pursuing studies in communication arts. We are missing classes. The semester is almost over. We have a lot of work going on and this is affecting our output, the young woman said. Kelsey Robinson, who also miffed, I just had a test postponed and it's the second postponed since Friday. No, Robinson told the Gleaner. Late yesterday evening, it was clear that the impasse was nowhere near resolution, and Langley told the Gleaner that he understands that the Ministry of Education will be seeking to press the Finance Ministry to disperse the funds. Associate Vice President for Advancement of Utech, Hector Wheeler, declined to give an update on the situation. I'm not in a position to speak on the matter at this time. I will have to call the president, Wheeler said. Honestly, I'm gonna say this. With the amount of money, $50 million, that Rule Reed and his associates stole from the Caribbean Maritime University, there is no way the finance minister should be hitching on paying these teachers their money. And this agreement was made from 2015 through to 2017. It's now 2019 and these people can't get their money. So you can tell that these ministers look out for their own, because how the hell did Rule Reed get $50 million to scam out of a university, but an institution like Utech, the teachers can't get paid? Tell me no. And these teachers put them heart, soul and body hole, and they go to school, and a lot of them are in debt and they have to pay debt collectors and they have family to take care of, and they're also doing Jamaica justice as far as our students are concerned. Okay, I know a lot of Jamaicans is getting brain drained. They're taking out all the nurses, they're taking out all the police officers, because our academic standards are high. So the United States, Canada, UK want our nurses or police officers or doctors or teachers, and it's unfair to the ones that stay in Jamaica to make sure that we have a great society and make sure that there are people that is knowledgeable and good for Jamaica society that still lives there and wants to stay there. It's unfair to them to not get paid for a job that is unrewarding, like teaching. Like, honestly, it's sick, drunk or too much. Pay the people them, man. Please pay them the money and don't wait till May 2020. Pay from now. I understand that a lot of these students are worried, but these teachers have to stand for something or fall for anything, and I can't wrong them for striking. I honestly can't. When people like Rule Reed is allowed to take a scam $50 million from a university and these teachers can't get their money that they were owed, it's not like they didn't work for it, they worked for it. I don't see any sense in that. So comment in the comment section what's your thoughts. Do you think that this strike should continue until they get their disbursement of money that was supposed to given to them in the month of October? The month of October is almost done and they haven't seen a penny. It's the 31st right now. Do you think that they should get the rest of their money before May of 2020? What are your thoughts on how Rule Reed is able to scam $50 million from the CMU that he actually got from the finance minister from Jamaica, but the finance minister can't disperse money to these Utech teachers that actually did their job and is supposed to get paid, and this agreement was in place from 2015-2017. What are your thoughts on that? You see how the scale are not leveled in Jamaica and how these ministers and these politicians look out for them one another and not for regular Jamaican people. You guys see that, right? Anyways, like, comment, share and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.